Over the years, SJ Innovation has developed numerous healthcare software solutions, ranging from custom-built applications to tackling complex challenges. Through this journey, we have observed a significant shift in the industry's mindset towards AI-driven solutions. Business owners are more focused on automation, efficiency, and optimization through AI technologies, aiming to enhance productivity while reducing maintenance costs. We have closely monitored how clients are going towards AI-driven solutions, reflecting a growing demand for innovation in healthcare. Beyond our company, industry giants like Google Health, IBM Watson, and Epic Systems have been early adopters of AI solutions. They have developed remarkable AI tools to support various aspects of the healthcare industry. The future of healthcare lies in AI, and it's important for stakeholders and medical professionals to embrace and integrate this advancement into their practices. So moving to the next slide, here are the 5 points we have added to the agenda. At first, we'll discuss the AI revolution. Here we'll get to know what some of the big companies are doing in this sector, what they have built so far by using AI tools. In the next point, we'll try to compile all the findings from the first topic and prepare a list of the AI adoption or in what areas of healthcare solution is getting targeted, what problems they are solving. In the next point, we'll try to share some potential ideas of future where some of the development can be done. After that, we'll be sharing some glimpse of SJ Innovation contribution towards this industry. And finally, we'll be discussing about ethical consideration and challenges. So this is not only enough to build the AI tools. There are some other ethical consideration that we need to keep in consideration while building those tools. So we'll be discussing those points. Moving to the next slide. In this slide, I'm going to discuss about the AI revolution in healthcare software, and I'll be giving an overview of what are the things that big giant companies are building by using AI in this healthcare industry. So the first one is IBM Watson. So IBM Watson built healthcare software using AI to help doctors. Their AI tool read medical images more accurately and suggest personalized treatment plans for patients, which makes healthcare decisions smarter and more efficient. Then Google Health uses AI to analyze medical images. It can predict how diseases might progress. PathAI is another tool that uses AI to help pathologists to analyze tissue samples more quickly and accurately, especially in diagnosing cancer. Tempus uses AI to analyze genetic data and clinical information from patients with cancer. It helps doctors find the most effective treatment by analyzing patients' unique genetic makeup. Then there are Zebra Medical Vision and ADOC. Both of these companies use AI to help radiologists to detect diseases in medical images and find abnormalities faster and more accurately. Then Butterfly Network and Prognos AI help healthcare providers interpret ultrasound images, making it easier to diagnose and monitor a wide range of medical conditions at the point of care. Then we have Siemens and Sophia. Those companies uses AI to improve medical imaging technology, making scans clearer and more detailed. It also helps to analyze genetic data and identify genetic risk factor for diseases. The Nuance Communications AI-powered speech recognition technology helps doctors dictate notes and enter data into electronic health record or EHR more efficiently, saving time and reducing errors. Then Epic Systems, Cerner, and Health Catalyst. Three of these companies use AI to make electronics health records or EHR smarter, helping doctors and nurses access and understand patient information more easily, leading to better decision-making and care coordination. Then we have Alive Course, AI-powered heart monitoring technology, which helps patients and doctors detect irregular heartbeats and other heart conditions easily. Then DeepMind, another big company, they are also using AI to analyze healthcare data and improve patient care, such as predicting when patients might deteriorate and providing doctors with personalized treatment recommendations. QBeam uses AI to analyze medical image data and extract biomarkers that can help doctor diagnose and monitor diseases more accurately, leading to better patient outcomes. Tempus Lab uses AI to analyze cancer data and help doctors match patients with the most effective treatments, improving outcomes and quality of life for cancer patients. Suki's AI-powered voice assistant helps doctors with administrative tasks like taking notes and filling out forms, freeing up time for doctors to focus on the patient care. So these are the list uh, we have added, but there are a lot of other companies out there who are also doing great work and building amazing AI products. So this is from the overview part.
Mohan,
Okay.
can you please tell me if there are any drawbacks for using these tools?
Yes, Jabal. Thanks for the question. Actually, every technology comes up with many advantages as well as some of the drawbacks. Using these AI tools also have some of the drawbacks. And the most important one is data privacy concerns. AI algorithms require access to sensitive patient data. It raised the concern about privacy breaches. Another disadvantage is algorithm biasness because system can be biased based on the training. Okay. And then healthcare regulations always keep changes where AI tool need regular maintenance. That is another drawback. Okay. And the last one, I would say integrating AI tools itself is not an easy task. So it also requires expertise, time, and effort. Finally, another thing will come in the picture that is lack of trust. Sometimes the doctors or the patients may have lack of trust on those tools because people may not always trust the decision of AI. Sometimes uh, a human beings does not know the decision-making process of AI. So these are the drawbacks so far we have noticed while using these tools. I hope this answers your question, Jamal.
Thank you so much.
Okay, we can move to the next topic. Next slide, driving AI adoption in healthcare. So in this slide, we are going to compile the data of the previous topics and points out at which area companies are working and developing their tools. It can help you to understand the niche of AI market and make decision for your businesses and practices. So the first one is medical imaging analysis. So while going through the previous slides, we have seen most of the companies using this. Companies are refining AI algorithm to help doctors analyze medical images more precisely, aiding in early disease detection and improving treatment planning for patients. The next one is clinical decision support. Companies are integrating AI into healthcare software to offer real-time assistance to clinicians. It utilizes patient data to suggest personalized treatment options and enhance decision making. Then we saw virtual assistant and chatbots. Companies are leveraging AI to create virtual assistants and chatbots that can interact with patients and provide them medical information, appointments reminder, and support, which is improving patient engagement and satisfaction. Then another important tool is drug discovery and development. Researchers are basically using this. So researchers are using AI to analyze vast data sets and predict the efficiency and safety of potential drugs. It is minimizing the drug discovery process and bringing new treatments to market more efficiently. Then another common tool is automating tasks. Companies putting their efforts into automating routine administrative task using AI, which is freeing up healthcare professionals' time. Then there are EHR enhancement tasks. So healthcare providers are integrating AI into electronic health record or EHR system to streamline data entry, extraction, and analysis. It is making EHRs more user-friendly, improving accuracy and efficiency. Businesses are taking the help of AI to improve the accuracy and efficiency of healthcare process, such as diagnosis and treatment planning. Then personalizing care. AI-powered tools are being developed to analyze patient data and preferences. It allows healthcare providers to provide treatment plans according to each patient's unique needs and characteristics. Then there is remote patient monitoring. Companies are developing AI-driven remote monitoring solutions to track patient health metrics and vital signs outside of traditional healthcare process. Then there are another popular category, telemedicine and remote consultation. With AI integration, telemedicine platforms are enhancing remote consultation by providing diagnostic support, facilitating virtual examination, and enabling secure communication between patients and healthcare providers. Then we have predictive analytics for disease prevention. This is another important tool. Um, Companies are also using AI algorithm. Healthcare organizations are analyzing patient data to predict disease risk and identify preventive measures. There are some other tools like remote patient monitoring, genomic medicine, and finally, the fraud detection and security. Experts are leveraging AI algorithm to analyze healthcare data and identify suspicious activities. So it enhances security measures and prevents fraud transaction within healthcare systems. So these are the main tools what we have found so far that the medical healthcare industry are using and creating tools like this in this category. So we'll move to the next slide.
Mohan, just one second.
Yes.
From the tools you've just discussed, which ones are currently receiving the most attention from the industry?
Okay, it is difficult to pick one. Let me go back to the previous one. So if you tell me to take top five, as per my analysis, I would say the first one will be image analysis. We have seen most of the companies are using images and they are trying to do some of the medical treatment by analyze those images and uh, find out the disease symptoms. This will be the first one. The second one will be the predictive analytics, where businesses are using patient data and then they are doing some of the prediction that what could be the next steps to do treatment of a particular patient for any disease, and also to predict some of the other things like the heartbeats or uh, the blood and the pressure and the other things. Most of the things can analyze based on the symptoms and based on the data, like when a patient is doing what and how his body is responding towards which times and which activities. The third one, I would say the EHR enhancement. We know the electronic health records is a popular software that are being used in the medical industry. So here, also people are using AI to enhance this. They are doing a lot of things like scheduling, uh, they then data manipulating and creating uh, the graph and all. So that is another popular things I would say. The fourth one will be telemedicine. This is also very popular, I would say. And the uh, fifth one is uh, invention of new medicine. This is also a new category, I would say, where people are working and creating or generating new medicine by taking the help of AI. So yeah, I think that's answer your question, Rebel.
Yes, thank you so much. That was very interesting.
Okay, so we'll move to the next slide. Rest of the part will be covered by Ridwan Hassan, software engineer, uh, SJ Innovation. So Ridwan, over to you.
Yeah, thanks Mohan Bhai for the insightful information and for setting the stage for this discussion. I'm grateful for the opportunity to continue where you left off and to delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI in healthcare. So now I want to share about our company success and contribution towards this industry. So SGI has contributed to the healthcare AI industry by leveraging its expertise in AI product development and web development services. The company utilizes AI technologies to create customized solutions that improve healthcare outcomes. Their work includes developing AI-driven applications, enhancing data analysis for better decision making in healthcare, and creating user-friendly interfaces for healthcare professionals. By integrating AI in their web and mobile app development skills, SG Innovation supports the healthcare sector in becoming more efficient, accurate, and patient-centric. So currently, we are focusing in four different areas. First one is scheduling appointments. So the scheduling appointments with AI involving utilizing artificial intelligence systems to manage and optimize appointment booking. This process can significantly enhance efficiency, reduce manual workload, and improve overall user experience. So, how actually AI can leverage for scheduling appointments? It is understanding the user request, it is taking request for appointment times, dates, and purpose through chatbots or voice interface. After that, it is integrating with any calendar system to check availability, avoiding double booking, and optimizing the schedule based on preference and priorities. And it also reschedule or cancel appointments based on user response. And it also optimize alternative slots and manage the rescheduling process if conflicts arise or participants request changes. Now, I would like to share about the clinical support system that we are offering. So, clinical support system with AI is an evolving domain where artificial intelligence is used to enhance healthcare delivery by aiding medical professionals in making data-driven decisions. AI in clinical decision supports various technologies including machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analysis to analyze medical and provide actionable insights. So, first of all, we are focusing on data analysis, predictive analysis, then diagnosis assistance, treatment recommendation, and so on for like figuring the clinical decision support based on our client needs. And also we are considering few challenges and considerations. So data privacy and security is very important aspects in this area. So we are handling sensitive patient data requires is strict adherence to data protection regulation and ethical standards. Also, we are ensuring the system that we develop is accurate and provide reliable recommendation in crucial to gain trust from healthcare providers. And also, our system will be continuous learning and adapting new things so that in future it will give us the proper outcome based on user requests. Now I want to move on that task automating through AI. So automating tasks with AI involves using artificial intelligence technologies to streamline and execute repetitive routine tasks without human intervention. This process increases efficiency, reduce error, and frees up human resources for more complex activities. So the key area actually we are automating like data entry and processing, then customer service, email filtering and response scheduling, predictive maintenance, content generation, and fault detection. Also, we are offering chatbot related services. So, if we introduce this chatbot system, like if we are integrating this chatbot artificial intelligence to any system, then it will simulate interactive human conversations. They can understand and respond to their user queries in natural language, making them useful for customer service, information retrieval, and many other tasks. AI chatbots learn from interaction to improve their responses over time and offering a scalable communication solution. They are employed across various platforms like websites, messaging apps, and customer service portal, enhancing user experience and operational efficiency. Now we can move on to our next slide.
Ridwan, just a second.
Hmm.
In which systems are these scheduling being integrated?
Okay, we can move back to our previous slide again. So actually, we are taking a request from users. So basically, we are taking information like in which date and time they are preferring to reschedule a appointments. So when we will be get that time, we can integrate any system with it to schedule a particular slot for that patients. So it is possible to integrate our system with any existing systems that is using for scheduling appointments. Like we can utilize Google Calendar, then Microsoft related services that is currently offering for scheduling any kind of appointments by using their system. I think it is possible to integrate by using function calling with any available system that they are currently providing for scheduling these appointments.
Okay, and can we also integrate this with external softwares?
Yes, yes, obviously. If they are providing their API support, then it is definitely possible to integrate with this any kind of external system as well.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. So now I want to discuss about our existing products. The name is Collaborative AI. So actually Collaborative AI is an open source AI assistant platform that provides a cost effective way of for organization to utilize AI technology. It allows businesses to host AI assistants on their services, ensuring data privacy and control. By automating routine tasks, these AI assistants boost employee productivity, enabling teams to focus on higher value activities. This platform offers customization, scalability, fitting the various business needs without the high costs associated with the proprietary software. So various provider currently offering the assistant and AI related services for answering our query by using their platforms. So our collaborative AI actually give you the proper answer based on your query. So just few moments back, I was comparing a request with Gemini and with our systems. So in Gemini, actually, I was trying to create a promotional post for our webinar by providing our registration link and the necessary informations with it. So after that, it was provided me this result. So if you see in request body, actually I also attached this registration link, but after generating the post, it is not provided that links. So you can consider that we are not getting this link properly after getting this response. So if we compare with our collaborative AI, see, it gives us the proper response as well as it is setting up this link as an example wherein we can redirecting from here to like when we are creating a post that time this link will also be attached. So we can ensure that our system is performing very well compared with the Gemini. And as the healthcare professional point of view, definitely we can utilize this software based on their needs. So as you have the idea about the AI assistants, so actually it is a assistant where you can train your assistant based on your data. So after that, based on your needs, you can generate the proper response. So it will be helpful for every domain. So if I go to some of my assistants, so if you see uh, previous days, some days back, actually, I was created a assistant for like giving me some kind of cloud related services that actually we are commonly using when we are building the software. So I was created a chatbot which actually trained by providing some of the relevant information of AWS. So when I will be querying any kind of questions, it will give me the proper response of it. As well as any healthcare professional also can create their own assistant by providing the necessary information with it. So like you can set any name based on your preference, and also you can like set up your own instructions like what kind of data actually you want to get, and also you can set a description with it so that like anyone if want to use or you want to like share this assistant with your team, then they can identify that what will be the main purpose of it. Then we can also like set a conversation starter, what kind of model actually we want to use, then what types of information it will provide it to us, like so if you want to add any kind of files with it, then you can like enable this feature, then it will read the data from that file, and definitely it will gives you the proper response based on your needs. So I will recommend everyone use this software, and definitely it will be helpful for you. It is so the summary is it is very good tool for improve or boost employee productivity, and also if anyone want to like utilize the code base of it, so anyone can access this code base from our GitHub repository, and we will access like we will give the access to every attendees who can easily like access this site and can check that what will be the benefit of it by using this software. So now I can move on to my next slide.
But Redwan, can you please tell me what is the exact pain point that collaborative AI is solving?
Okay, very nice question. So, recently so many AI tools already released. Actually, as a general user, they are not fully understood that how can we like properly utilize it in my job. So that's why we are introduced this assistant feature. So by using this assistant feature, if someone, let's say, want to write a email for, let's say, leave application, and they want to send this email to their manager. So if and also they maybe they cannot formally written this application properly. So if they will create a assistant wherein they can like give some instruction that I am facing this kind of issues, so I need a one day leave or I need some break from my job. So if they provided the proper instruction while they are creating the assistant, then after that, if they want to like write a proper application, so I believe that it will provide them the proper and structured application. So it will be like very professional manner when they are it is generating the response. So I believe it will like helpful to every employee, or maybe you can consider any student, or maybe who are actually belonging to any other professions as well. They can utilize it properly, so it will be like their own helper to optimize their work properly.
That's actually very useful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. Now we can move on to our next slide. So actually, till now, we are discussing about the functionalities and the achievement uh, with the AI that actually impacting in the healthcare. So now I want to discover the what will be the next, and you can say the potential use of AI in healthcare. So you already seen that AI has significant potential in healthcare. It can enhance diagnosis accuracy, then personalize treatment plans and improve patient outcomes. AI can analyze large dataset quickly, identifying patterns that may not be evident to humans. This can lead to early disease detection. It is actually very crucial part, and also more effective treatments. However, there are challenges including data privacy and concerns, but the need of accurate and unbiased AI algorithms will help them to figure out the proper diseases. So now I want to share some more insights that how can we like identify any disease by using AI. So if I move on to nutritional deficiency detection, so AI can analyze easily patient data, dietary habits and other health indicators to identify nutritional deficiencies. These proactive approaches allows for timely invention, tailored dietary recommendations, and ongoing monitoring to ensure optimal health outcomes. Then smart inhalers. These AI-enhanced devices track inhaler use, gather data on asthma control, and can even alert patients about potential trigger in their environment. This technology empowers patients with chronic respiratory condition to manage their health more effectively and avoid uh, like are vacations. Now, if I move on to medical tourism optimization, AI can streamline the medical tourism process by analyzing factors such as treatment cost, then hospital accreditation and success rates. It helps patients make informed decisions on where to seek medical treatments abroad, considering both quality and affordability. Personalized AI health coaches. These virtual coaches provide tailored health advice, motivation, and support based on individual health data and goals. They can monitor a user progress, adapt recommendations in real time, and offer insights to promote healthier lifestyle choices. Voice activated EHR navigation. AI-driven voice recognition can transform how healthcare providers interact with electronic health records, allowing for hand-free data entry and retrieval. It enhances clinical efficiency, reduce administrative burden, and allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient cares. So, there are lots of opportunity actually will be open by utilizing the AI. So you can consider these innovations illustrates AI transformative potential in healthcare, offering more precise, personalized, and proactive care, ultimately enhancing patient outcomes and operational efficiency. Now we can move on to our next slide. So lastly, so if we want to effectively use any kind of things to make a revolutionary impact in any kind of sectors, we need to consider few things. So what kind of ethical consideration and challenges we will face by using this AI? Now I want to discuss about this. So AI in healthcare raises ethical issues such as patient consent, and data privacy. Ensuring AI systems make fair, unbiased decision is crucial. There are also question of accountability. Who is responsible when a AI system makes an error? Balancing the benefits of AI with respect for patient autonomy and confidentiality is essential. If I move on to the challenging part of it, implementing AI in healthcare faces challenges like integrating AI into existing systems and ensuring it complements human healthcare providers. There are also the need for high quality, diverse data to train AI systems, avoiding biases that can lead to unequal care. Ensuring these systems are transparent but their decision understandable to patients and provider is another key challenge. So that's why actually we need to consider the data privacy, then algorithmic bias, transparency, and explainability, also the accountability and liability, because determining responsibility for AI-driven decisions can be challenging. Clear guidelines and framework are needed to establish who is liable when AI recommendation leads to adverse outcomes. That's why, and also it will be create a very good impact on healthcare workforce, because AI will transform healthcare jobs, then workforce adaptation through retraining and education to work alongside AI technologies effectively. That's why actually we have to consider compliance and other regulatory things, also the security vulnerabilities, to make a best use of AI in the healthcare industry.